Hi everyone, my name is Gloria Yigwa and I'm going to talk about social media in healthcare, and I'm going to talk about three main things. I'll talk about the evolution of social media, I'll talk about the importance of social media and the policies which can be applied to ensure the effective use of social media. Let's start with the definition of social media. So social media refers to the websites and application that enable users to create and share content and turn communication into an interactive dialogue. So examples of social media include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social medias. Now let's start with the evolution of social media. Late in 1960s, that's when media was first invented. By this time, there was the creation of television and radios. There were the medias which targeted a large number of people. They were not specific, like we want this targeted audience. They were targeting the whole population. So in 1962, the use of television and radios was now becoming famous. So late in 2012, that's when there was the election of Obama in America, and this increased a lot the use of social media. So people were using social media for voting, and it really had an impact in the voting of President Barack Obama. But in 2012, social media platforms were used like politically, they were not used by everyone. If we look today, how social media is used, it's a tool that everyone uses, especially businesses. Businesses use social media to profit and benefit. So now let's look at the importance of social media in healthcare setting. The first importance of social media is teaching patients about healthy living and providing health tips. Like if you want to teach people about a certain thing, it's easy when you use social media. For example, we're facing the pandemic of coronavirus. So if you want to teach people how to take care of themselves, how to protect themselves, you can use social media. It can really be understood easily. And another importance is that you can inform patients about certain events which are going to be held by your company or hospital, and you can inform changes about your hospital easily using social media. Another importance of social media is that it facilitates the interaction between doctors and patients. So patients do not have to travel like the whole way to the hospital in order to get a feedback or an answer to a question that they have. So it's easier when they are using social media, since they can get immediate responses about the questions they have. And another use of social media is that it can create you can create like sites which can improve health. For example, you can create like sites of donation for patients maybe having cancer. So this will improve health, since people who are not able to afford the medication can be helped via that social media platform. Now let's talk about the policies which can ensure the effective use of social media in healthcare setting. First of all, you have to teach, if you own a hospital, you have to teach employees about the HIPAA rule. This is a rule which protects the patient's information about health. So you have to teach your employees and doctors that they don't have to post everything they want on social media, since the patient's um, privacy can be violated. So it's something crucial that hospitals must do. Sorry. Another policy is that if you are a doctor and you have a personal account on social medias, you have to use the privacy settings which protect you and your company. So if you are posting something, everyone can see it, but you have to limit the number of people can see it, and this will limit the possibility of being hacked or disclosing your personal information. So that's what I was going to talk about in this video. Thank you for your attention.